All plants are living medicines, highly complex and intelligent. That is why traditional Sinhalese life-saving medicine only uses plants, their extracts and oils to do the treatment. They seem to work very well to control different diseases, including diabetes, high cholesterol level, problems with skin, eyes, and the whole body. Sri Lanka has its own medicine and healing practice called Helawadakama. It is unique to native people and it was developed over the generations before the era of modern medical science. Its history goes back thousands of years.